Today we are here at Dunnhumby headquarters in Brook Green in Hammersmith to work with Colgate and Tesco and the Cass Business School on a really interesting oral care hackathon brief.
This is a competition for students, but also it allows us to come and see real-world problems that, if we're lucky enough, could be developed and put into actions.
We're hoping to come up with some fantastic ideas to implement in our stores to really step change children's oral health within the UK.
We pose challenging business questions to very talented Cass Business School students, and they help us move our business agenda forward.
We give students the opportunity to develop a campaign idea from scratch with the help of the mentoring team, and then actually get to pitch it to the industry experts.
Last year, it was so good that we even took it to market, the benefit of the millions of customers that Colgate and Tesco have in the UK.
Tesco and Colgate run events like this because we have a common purpose to help our customers to live healthier lives.
We bring new thinking, fresh thinking from a really disruptive group of students.
They tend to push the boundaries, and it also encourages us to push out our thought processes beyond the limits of what we're so familiar with.
Success for me is having a pool of amazing ideas that previously we wouldn't have been able to get to because of the four walls that we work in.
We're big organisations, and sometimes we can be constrained by the corporate frameworks that we have.
Ultimately, it's about giving all of our children a future that they can smile about.
We basically took on the role of marketeers for Tesco and Colgate and had to come up with our own campaign. We brainstormed. It was very, very heavy on time pressure.
We were divided into teams with mentors, and we actually had to come up with a campaign idea in 1.5 days, which was stressful.
I think the important thing about an event like this is capturing so many different ideas from different people, different backgrounds and different experiences.
I was really struck by how creative and innovative the students were, and they came up with really great concepts.
It's something that I can hopefully use to further my career in the future and refer back to everything I learned.
Well, my team just won this challenge, so I'm really, really happy. We didn't expect it.
It's been really intense. It's been good fun.
We get to visit the headquarters of Colgate and pitch our idea to the actual marketeers and see what they can do and adjust it and actually put it into a proper real-life campaign.
If you're someone who's coming to do this next year, once you get the email, quickly sign up. It's a very valuable experience.